Arthrex designed the AMIX facility with a clear purpose: to apply the same scientific precision to sterilization that we bring to product development. Manufacturing, packaging, and sterilization happen under one roof, right here in the United States, giving Arthrex full control over every step of the process. The sterilization process begins at receiving. Pallets of medical devices arrive at the facility, each order documented and staged for processing. Materials are staged and organized by treatment protocol to maintain efficiency and full traceability. Each device history record is scanned into the production system, maintaining traceability for every order processed. Operators load product onto the in-feed conveyor, beginning the sterilization process. Automated vision systems verify each label, confirming product identity and lot traceability. To measure the radiation dose delivered, dosimeter carriers are automatically positioned ahead of, between, and behind each load. Product travels through a multi-pass conveyor system, engineered to ensure uniform exposure to ionizing radiation. Either high-energy E-beam or X-ray photons penetrate the packaging, disrupting microbial DNA and rendering pathogens inactive. Throughout the process, operators monitor critical parameters in real time to verify that every load meets established specifications. Sterilized product exits the irradiation zone and moves to unloading lanes after completing the controlled exposure cycle. Dosimeter carriers exit with the load and are sent to the dosimetry lab for dose verification. Palletized product is held in the shipping area pending final quality assurance release. In the dosimetry lab, technicians analyze each dosimeter to verify that the delivered dose falls within specification. Quality assurance reviews all data, ensuring compliance with regulatory and internal standards. Once approved, the load status updates from yellow to green, confirming that sterilization meets all requirements. Each pallet is automatically wrapped and secured for outbound shipment. Sterilized product is loaded for transport to the Arthrex Logistics Center. From infrastructure to systems to personnel, Arthrex maintains full oversight of the sterilization process. This level of control exists for one reason: so that surgeons can trust the sterility of every device they use to help treat their patients better.